Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting both devices ready. Power the scooter and make sure its battery is above 20% so pairing completes reliably. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and keep the screen unlocked. You'll need to accept prompts. Press and hold the scooter's power or Bluetooth button until an LED or tone indicates pairing mode. Once you see the indicator, keep the scooter close to your phone, within 1 to 2 meters, so signals stay strong during the initial handshake. Now you'll pair and connect the two. In Bluetooth settings, tap Scan and select the scooter name that appears. If multiple devices show, pick the exact model label. If a PIN is requested, try 0000 or 1234 and enter it quickly. Once paired system level, open the scooter's companion app and allow Bluetooth and location permissions. These let the app find the paired device and exchange settings. Make sure the app shows a connected status before you proceed. Finish by verifying full functionality. From the app, test lights, horn, and throttle response. This confirms commands travel both ways. If the app offers a firmware update, proceed while the scooter is stable and charging. Updates fix bugs. If something goes wrong, first restart your phone and scooter, then toggle Bluetooth off and on and retry pairing. If that fails, perform a factory Bluetooth reset on the scooter per its manual, then pair again. This clears stale pairings and usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.